Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Pam, Pamela's Creations, and I'm doing something a little different today. I thought I'd bring you along and show you how I'm going to make these peanut chocolate fat bombs. And so I have been on it a month and it has helped me and my husband tremendously. So I'll show you what I'm going to do with this. So I have 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of swerve confectioner's sugar, 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla, peanut butter is 1/2 cup, and some coconut oil. Okay everyone, I forgot to tell you about my candy dishes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them in here. My hands got all over it. And I'm gonna put them in the freezer for about 15 minutes, and then we'll take it out and test it. So here we go. All right, everyone, I'm back. I'm just going to wipe the sides down a little bit, and then I'm going to stick it in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I will show you what it looks like when I come back. First, I'm going to wipe this all down. Okay, I'm back, everyone, with my candy. So what I did is I put it in the freezer for 15 to 20 minutes, and this is what it looked like. So we're going to take a taste test. Pretty good. A lot better than the store-bought fat bombs from Slim Fast. So they turned out really well. Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to all. And you all have a great day. God bless. Bye.